How to delete Instagram account. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's video I'll be showing you how you can delete your Instagram account. So in order to delete your Instagram account, you'll not be able to do it with the help of an application. You'll need to log in from a web browser. Now exit the app and then open up a web browser. On the web address bar, type in instagram.login.com. After that, make sure that you're already logged into your account. If not, you can just type in your credential and then log in into your account. As soon as you're logged into your account, this is how it's gonna look like. In order to delete your Instagram account, you'll have to deactivate your account for 30 days. Only then you'll be able to delete it permanently. So then to deactivate your Instagram account, go to your profile icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, it's gonna direct you to the profile page. On this page, go ahead and click on edit profile button. Scroll down right to the bottom and you'll be able to see temporarily deactivate my account. If you're sure about it, then click on temporarily deactivate my account, and you'll need to provide in a reason for deactivating your account. After that, you also need to confirm your password for the verification purpose. As soon as you're done, click on temporarily deactivate my account, which is right at the bottom, and after that you'll be notified with a statement that your account has been deactivated for 30 days, and after 30 days your account will be deleted. So in the meantime, if you want to reactivate your account, you'll need to log in into your account within 30 days, and after that you'll not be able, but after 30 days you'll not be able to recover your account. In this way you can delete your Instagram account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.